Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS Writing Task 1. First, familiarize yourself with the various question types, such as line graphs, bar charts, and process diagrams. Next, practice analyzing the provided visuals to pinpoint the most significant trends and comparisons. Finally, focus on creating a well-organized report with an introduction, overview, detailed paragraphs, and a conclusion. This systematic approach will significantly improve your score. When you first see the visual, take a moment to understand what it's showing. What are the labels on the axes? What units are being used, like percentages or millions? Pay close attention to the time period covered and any distinct categories. Your goal is to quickly grasp the big picture, spotting the most important changes and relationships before you even start writing. This initial analysis is crucial for a high-scoring response. A strong structure is key to clarity. Begin with an introduction that rephrases the prompt in your own words. Then, write an overview paragraph summarizing the most significant overall trends or features without including specific numbers. After that, dedicate separate body paragraphs to specific details, grouping related information logically. For example, discuss all increases in one paragraph and all decreases in another. Aim for around 150 words total. As you write, focus on using varied vocabulary and complex grammatical structures to demonstrate your language proficiency. Make sure your report flows smoothly, with clear connections between sentences and paragraphs. Use linking words effectively. Always leave a few minutes to review your work for any errors in grammar, spelling, or punctuation. This final check can catch simple mistakes that might lower your score. Also, check the description for a link to these amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.